Hello, and welcome to the Handshake List. In the previous video, we recommended lightning cables from Monoprice because of the cost, build quality, but most of all, lifetime warranty. Well, recently, our cable stopped working. This was our chance to test the guaranteed lifetime warranty. So how do you request a replacement? It turned out to be super easy. Once you're signed into your account on monoprice.com, click on Request Refund Replacement. Click Show All to see your past orders, then hit Replace. From there, just a few more clicks and soon you'll receive an email confirmation and request to confirm your shipping address. Within a couple days, we received our replacement cable. No questions asked, no hassle, not even a request to return the broken cable. Just a straightforward replacement deal by a great company with an amazing warranty. Thought we'd share that with you guys. Thanks Monoprice for a great service. Thanks for watching the Handshake List.